When I first started my brand in 2019, I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know how to design clothes. I didn't know how to run a Shopify store. I didn't even know what Shopify was. I didn't go to school for it. I actually went to school for music. But I had a cool idea for a logo and a brand, basically a t-shirt and a dream. A huge part of learning about the fashion industry was reading books and doing extensive research. One book in particular, the Fashion Business Manual by Fashionary, was a game changer for me. There's a section in this book about designing a cohesive and balanced collection. I read that section, was inspired, and then applied it to my own brand. And that's what I'm going to be breaking down today in this video. My setup's a little bit different today. I'm sitting in the living room of my apartment, but I have my MacBook here. And as always, if you want access to this whiteboard as well as my other resources, free download in the description. I followed Fashionary's guidelines by ensuring a balance between 4 types of items: core items, transaction builders, profit generators, and wow items. The core items are the brand's signature pieces that define the collection and will likely be staple sellers. This hoodie from my brand Pathos of Things is an example of one of my brand's core items. It's a high quality terry fleece hoodie with a screen printed logo on the back and an embroidered logo on the front, like you can see here. And then the other best seller is this pair of cargo pants. Cargo pants sell like crazy, at least they did in 2023 into 2024. The next category is transaction builders, like these hats and this t-shirt. These are affordable pieces that encourage impulse buying and increase the average transaction size. For example, if a customer buys these cargo pants or adds the cargo pants to their cart, I then want to encourage them to buy a t-shirt that the model was wearing in the e-commerce photos, in addition to the cargo pants for the complete fit. Tees with a cool logo are affordable to manufacture and they're trendy. Hats are low cost and custom branded as well that attract impulse buyers and serve as an entry point for people that are less familiar with the brand. Hats like this are a great way to attract first-time buyers. The next category is profit generators. These are high margin items that have a higher price point than the rest of the items, but they're still attractive to the target audience. For my brand, I released these luxury bomber jackets. They're made of real suede. Because it's real suede, I can justify a $400 price point. The inside of the jacket had a very soft viscose lining, and it was very well made. The construction was top notch. I also released a leather bag, 2 leather bags actually. Here's the other leather bag. But on the whiteboard in this example, this was the shoulder bag that I released in 2023, and this had very high profit margins. Typically for luxury brands, I know that my brand isn't quite a luxury brand, but typically for luxury brands, accessories like small leather goods and bags have the highest sales volume, or they sell the most. And then the last category is wow items. These are attention-grabbing statement pieces designed to create buzz and bring excitement to the collection. In 2023, I put out this cream puffer jacket, which got the most buzz on social media. I also put out these moissanite tennis bracelets with the custom Pathos pendant. A successful collection balances all 4 types of items, ensuring that you have consistent sales, higher profit margins, and hype-driven marketing. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful or learned something new, please like and subscribe. If you want access to this whiteboard as well as all of my other materials, PDFs, slide decks, AI tools, prompts, and more, get them all for free at the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.